up, Q Squad? As you guys can see from the title, I am doing a tech haul. Like, I'm super excited because like I got some new equipment to kind of make my videos better and just things I've been like eyeing and stuff like that. So let's just jump right into this video. So I'm gonna try and do a thumbnail really quickly. So I have these two things here. So I'm gonna put this box down, and as you guys can see, I am in a different setup here. I'm just sitting in front of my wall for this video, and I actually just have my curtains open, so if the lighting is kind of bad, then sorry. But we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna open, actually let's open the box first, because I want to make sure everything's in here, because this just got delivered to my house and I actually want to make sure everything is in here. So let's just go ahead and open it. I have my scissors. Okay. So first thing I see is a 16 gigabyte SD card, which this is actually going to go in the camera that I'm using right now. So I got the 16 gigabyte, the SanDisk kind. There's this box here, which is actually my clothing rack, which I'm going to be using this for something else, but that's just what it looks like there. This video is just me showing you guys the items. I will be doing like an unboxing type video for each of these items, because they're all getting used for something else. So you just have to watch, like stay tuned to see like what I'm going to use each thing for. This right here just says Neewer, and I think this is actually my diffuser for my ring light. And I'm actually going to just go ahead and open this one just because it goes to my ring light. But yeah, this is just the diffuser for my ring light here. This makes a lot of noise. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I'm definitely gonna have to figure out how to put this on. It didn't come with any instructions, so might have to look on here on YouTube and find some type of video on how to put this thing on, because I literally don't know. And hopefully this actually fits, because it looks a little small, but hopefully it'll fit. I'm gonna go ahead and open this one here, and then there's one more thing in this box I'm gonna show you guys last. So in this box, you guys, I got a mic. So this is the Boya BY-MM1 mic here, and this is just what the box look like. And then there's just like all the techie things on the back. So I'm super excited to have a mic now, so maybe my audio would be a little bit better. I mean, I don't think my audio is that bad with this camera, but you know, I just wanted to get a mic. And then the last thing I got, you guys, and I did get this used, so the box looked a little janky, but it's okay, I don't mind it. But I got are you guys ready? Like, are you ready? Are you ready? All right. I got the Panasonic DMC FZ300, and as you guys can see, the box is a little bit messed up, but that's because I bought it used. But yeah, I'm super excited for my new camera, and that's why I got the mic, because this has a mic input, and the camera that I use now do not have a mic input. So yeah, stay tuned, because this is like going to be like my third video. I mean, my second video. Well, I'm actually about to film the unboxing of this camera so you guys can see it. So stay tuned to the next video. I will be still wearing the same shirt. I just did a get ready with me because I was getting ready to film, because I knew all these items were coming in today. So yeah, that was my get ready with me video. And then there's this video, and then my next video is going to be in the same shirt, just because I'm trying to push out as many videos as I can today, and I don't want to keep changing shirts and my makeup and stuff like that. So I am about to go ahead and do the video for this bad boy here. So make sure you guys stay tuned for that video. and then there would be a separate video for my clothing rack to show you guys how to set it up and what I'm going to be using it for. And I will just show you guys whenever I do put this on my ring light, because I don't know how long it's going to take me to put it on there. And on top of that, there's like no instructions, so I'm going to watch a YouTube video. But yeah, that is the end of this video, you guys. If you like my tech haul here, or just like seeing what I got, then give a big thumbs up. Make sure you guys subscribe down below and also hit that notification bell. Also, you guys, please go subscribe to my couples channel. It is called Dre and Quisha. It's with my boyfriend. We have so much fun together, and you guys should definitely check out our channel. The link is down below, so just go ahead and click that link and subscribe to our couples channel, and I will see you guys next video.